Hello, this is Sage Hathaway. It's been a while here, folks. So I got some new different kind of interesting handcuffs to it, so you don't get to see these anymore. These are PeerLess Model 300 handcuffs here, and it's made by PeerLess, and it's made in Massachusetts. You can see here. Try to get it on the camera as best as I can. See, we can see where it's made. Okay, that's good enough. That's the keyhole there. And these handcuffs were a little stiff here when I got them today, or because even though they've been used, I got to do some maintenance work on these. But they work excellent, and they don't pop out in alignment here. Nope, they're pretty well sturdy built. It's just you can tell they're not. It's the best speed because I gotta do some repairs on these before I can get them back up to speed again. Yeah, they're smooth, but they're just stiff right now because I gotta get some maintenance done to it. Alright, if I want to take a look inside real quickly. Yep. Okay, well, it's going on YouTube in just a second here. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day. And please don't forget to comment and write and subscribe. Thank you.